My channel technical tutorials. In last video of this series we have seen how to do setup for the Selenium. Now let's run one simple automation test script to open or to launch the browser for a specific website. So in this video we'll open the google.com website using the automation or using the Selenium and Java code. So here we have one path src main and Java. In that we'll create one package name as demo and just finish it. And in this package we'll create one class. I'm giving name as a launch browser as a class name, and the class will be public, and we'll add method public static void main, and we'll just click on finish. So this is the class which we have created in our package demo, and we have given a class name as a launch browser. So every time when we are writing any Selenium code, now we'll give the specific name, so it will easy to us to identify for which function we have written this code. That's why we have written class name as launch browser, as we are just launching the browser. Okay, now in this class first we have to write the system dot set properties. So when you write any method with dot, it will show all the specific method that you can use. So here we have get the set error, set in, set out, set properties with two parameters. So here we are using system.set properties with a string and key values. So we'll just select this and give semicolon. So here we have two values. First one is key and second one is value for that. So as a key we'll pass as webdriver dot chrome dot driver, and as a value. So in previous video we have seen we have downloaded the Chrome driver. So we'll just go to that workspace folder, then Chrome driver, and here we have exe file for that. So we'll just select this path, then give this slash, and it will show all the paths. So we have to select for exe. So let's select it, and we have to pass it as a value. Let's just break it so we can easily see this. So see, we have pass key as a WebDriver, as we are using the Chrome. That's why we have pass as a Chrome and driver, and the path for that driver. The browser, we have to create one object. Okay, so for that we'll write Chrome driver, as we are using here Chrome browser. So what we'll do here, we'll use the Chrome driver. We'll create object for that as a driver equals to new Chrome driver. And just open this. So we have created one object for that. Now we have to navigate to that website. For that we'll use the object driver dot navigate dot where to. So with the driver we are going to navigate to where the URL. So here we'll add to, and we'll just open the bracket or else to, and here we are getting three methods with string URL, and just a blank string. So we'll use the string URL as we are passing one value, and just open this single quote and write your link here or you can just directly get from the browser. So I'm going to Chrome browser, and here I'll type Google. Just open this link. Now the first thing, we have to copy the link address. We have copied and we have to paste it here. So we have given the Google link address. Let's just close this so we can get to know how we have done. Now let's save this code, and now we have to run. So here we have the green button to run this code. So we'll just click on this, and the browser will open automatically. See, you can see we have launched the browser using Selenium. Okay, let's do it. Just click on run, and it will automatically open the Chrome browser and the google.com website. So in this way you can write a simple Java code for the launch browser. So we have not done this with the test ng. We have just written the simple code that you can know what we are going to use.